So I'm here presenting the Algorand Miami Accelerator. So if you have a startup, if you have a project, if you have a team and a great idea, and you're focused on blockchain, then I definitely invite you to check out the Algorand Miami Accelerator. We are the first bilingual accelerator program focused on Miami, meaning not Miami the city, but Miami the community. So this is for companies from North America, from Latin America, from Europe, and more in general, like globally. So what we offer is a 10-week program. We select 10 companies, and these 10 companies go through the program, which includes education. So we have classes and workshops and office hours. We have mentorship, both as far as group sessions and one-on-ones. So we will match you with the best mentors and experts in the industry. And we will do that depending on your needs, depending on your goals. So we'll make sure that you have access to the right people. And then we're going to prepare you for demo day. So as Israel was mentioning at the end of the process, we put you in front of literally hundreds of investors who are usually like very specifically focused on the blockchain, which is great, which means that, you know, there are people that understand where you come from, speak your language, and are interested in investing in projects like yours. We're based out of Miami, but in reality, the program is virtual. So this is why we like to open it up to companies from all over the world. For our first cohort that we just closed a couple of weeks ago, we had over 200 applications from 5 continents and 35 countries. We love that. We like the international spirit of the program. And remember that it's bilingual, English and Spanish, which means that you can apply even if you're not fluent in English. We're going to help you. We're going to, match you with Spanish-speaking mentors, and you can actually go through the whole application process in Spanish. That helps. The whole program is virtual, although there is a 3-day in-person event in Miami during the program, which I think is a great opportunity to come to Miami and get to know your peers, your mentors, your instructors, get to know like some initial investors or potential investors, and just in general get familiar with the Miami ecosystem, which is a great ecosystem for any tech company and specifically for blockchain and crypto companies. We do invest a check up front. For the first cohort, we offer $35,000 to the 10 selected companies. And the reason behind that is because we want to make sure that our companies can actually focus on the program during those 10 weeks. They can take advantage of all of the resources that we offer. And many companies might also need to maybe hire some resources to, to develop the product or designers or whatever. So we want to make sure that they have everything they need to go through the program. We're focused on early stage companies. Early stage means a little bit of everything. We also consider applications of teams that have not incorporated yet, that have not built a product yet. We're basically looking for good teams with great ideas and with a lot of positive energy. Of course, if you have a product that's better, we're going to ask you about your traction, but that's not necessarily a requirement. Actually, the only requirement is at the end of the program, we expect companies to have a working prototype on the blockchain by demo day. So if you don't have a product, we're going to help you throughout the program to achieve that goal. As far as industries, we're open to anything, all things blockchain. We like DeFi, we like NFT, we like fintech. More in general, we like social impact oriented project, no matter what vertical or what industry. But in general, like even if those are the typical categories, we invite you to apply. If your idea is good, if you have a good team, then we're going to consider your application no matter what industry it's focused on. And last but not least, yes, it's all about blockchain, but we work with Algorand. Algorand is our co-founder. And so that is a requirement. You will have to develop your product on Algorand, which is honestly a great requirement because Algorand is the best blockchain out there. So it's not a limitation, it's actually a pro. If you're already working on Algorand, I'm sure this is the right program for you. if you're now working on Algorand, this might be the right opportunity for you to get on Algorand, discover how it works and all of the benefits that it offers, both on a technical perspective and also on a community perspective. So this is a great program, especially for companies in Latin America who want to get into blockchain and Algorand specifically. This is my contact information. We do not have an open call right now, so we haven't announced the dates of the next program, although we're about to do so. In the meantime, just check out the website and there is a form. If you're interested, if you want to know when the next program is going to be available, there is a form. Please send us your information and we're going to make sure that you will be at least part of the next recruitment phase. You can also reach out to me by email. I'm going to copy these links in the chat here and in YouTube, and I believe this is it.